Now, don't you go through life worrying about whether somebody like you or not. You best be making sure they're doing right by you. You understand what I'm saying?
Let's go.
It's another K-Town beat.
YouTube. It's your boy, Mr. Outliner. I'm back, brand new video. Hey, like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. You know how we do it. Hey, let's stop for a second. I got a new channel. It's called Hanging With Her. I'm going to put it down. I'm going to pin the comment. You know, on Hanging With Her, we do a lot of things like vlogging. I'm gonna be showing y'all day-to-day stuff. Sometimes I'm gonna be, I might talk about Instagram. Some days I might have to, show y'all. Might be doing mukbang. I might be doing, fashion. I might be doing, my sneaker collection. I could be doing a lot of stuff. So, yeah, I'm plugging that in right now. So make sure y'all go to that at the end of the video. Go to the pinned comment. I'll put it down there. Now, this is a drop fade tutorial, and on this drop fade tutorial, we're gonna make sure we keep it low. Now, the key to the drop fade is the guideline and where you started at. Now, you see right here where I'm at now, by the hump of the head, the little hump in the back, that's where you want to drop the line at. You want the line to drop or sit directly on that part. You see how much space is in between the top of his head where it starts to round off and where the hump is at the bottom. You see where that is, right? So you want to try to get the line as straight as possible. I know I didn't have it super straight here at all, but I got it pretty much into where I need it to be. But you want to try to get it as straight as possible because it's going to help with the evenness around on the fade. So, like I said, you want to make sure you get it cleaned up, straight as possible. And once you get it to that, then you can start working on the fade. And right here, you just take your trimmers and whichever trimmers you want to use and just clean up the bottom. Make sure you get it as bald as possible. Now, I normally start the haircuts from the side, but we're going to switch it up this time. We're going to do it from the side. We're starting from the back because I want to show you something. So here, you want to go up 1/4 of an inch. Look how high I'm going up. You really want to go like 1/4 of an inch, a little bit over, not too much, not half, just about in between that. But you want to do that around the head. And the reason why you don't want to go that high with the second guideline is because you're trying to keep it low. The objective of the drop fade is to keep it low. So we want to keep it low, get low, get low. You know what I'm talking about? Old song. But anyway, so you do that and you take away the first guideline. After you do that, you go open to close. We always do open to close. This is a beginner's tutorial. So if you having trouble, always go open to close because it allows you to make less mistakes. You see where I held the comb at to show you how high we going. So now I'm doing open again. I got the one guard. Look where I got the comb. This is how much you really want to go up. This is how much you want to take off. You don't want to go up higher than that. You see where I put the comb in. So bam, you work that. Now what you want to do here, you want to go open to close again until that second guideline that you made is gone, right? So you diligently work your way around the areas that's dark and where you need to get it out. Now, if you look at the way his hair is growing straight down and back there where I was just at, it's at an angle. So at an angle, you want to go up against the grain at an angle. If it's going straight up, like right here, I'm going straight up. Now, when I get to the back, I'm going at an angle against the grain. So pay attention to the hair pattern. That's what I'm showing you right here. Comb it back. I'm going up to the side. Now I'm going up, straight up, because that's the way his hair is going. And you do that all the way around the head. It makes the fade come out perfect, right? So I'm just working my way down, open the close. I took it off, I used it all the way till it was closed. Now I go back open. I use the corner of my blade here. You can't see it, but I'm gonna show you on the other side. I like to talk through the first side of it and show you more on the second side. So I'm still doing the same technique against the grain, whichever way the hair pattern is flowing. And once you do that, you see the blend is coming in. Like, I'm still staying on those lines though. You see, that's why I'm showing you with the comb. I'm trying to give you an idea of exactly where the placement of everything and the areas you need to focus on in order to achieve the look that you want to achieve. Now, he didn't want any hair cut off the top, so I didn't cut any. This is why we just showing you the fade technique right here. This is, you know, this is mostly about the fade. So this is how you blend into thick hair. It was already faded a little bit, you know, from last week because he comes every week, but we doing a little different fade. Normally I take it higher, but I wanted to do a drop fade just to show you all exactly how to do a drop fade. Right? So you just work it out, you detail it how much you need to detail it, get the look. He falling asleep right here. He's snoring. You know what I'm saying? You can't hear it, but he's snoring. You know what I mean? But anyway, he does that. Hard working guy, always working, always moving. So he came fresh off the road. I think he came from Dallas or something. He had went out of town, but he falling asleep. But I'm still gonna give him that A1 cut, you know, just because that's what I do. You know what I mean? So you see the fade, it's clean, it's nice. You see how we got him looking. I'm trying to adjust that camera right there so you can see that. Booyah, look at that, booyah. Clean. I don't really see nothing to touch, but I must have saw something, so I'm still going over it. It's okay. Hey, take your time with the haircut. There's no need to rush. You know, make sure you're clean the way you like it. Now we switch to the other side. I'm just gonna I'm gonna speed it up a little bit and just show you what I did, and you can just watch what I do. Now, he's still asleep. But anyway, I hit him with the holding spray. Y'all know I use the frozen still. You can get that at Sally's. I might see if I can post a description down below in the description. So you can go straight to it and you can get it. Now here on the edge up, you want to look at it first. You want to examine it from the front. You want to see exactly where you can start it at. Start in the middle and work your way over, left to right, right to left, whichever way you want to do it. But me, I just work my way diligently from the middle to the left in this case. But so you just take your time with it. Visualize it. I always tell people to visualize it. There's no rush. I take the most time on the lineup.
Another K-Town beat.
And with his hair, there's no enhancements used on this haircut. So we're just gonna try to keep it as natural as possible. Sometimes when you get some people, they don't really have to have a super sharp lineup. They just want it neat and clean. You know, it's not a big deal. So in his case, that's how he feels about his hair. So, but I still try to give him a sharp lineup as possible. You know what I mean? So we take that and take our time with it and work our way over. And as for the side, we try to keep that as natural as possible. You want to keep your hand on top of their head just in case, especially when they sleep. You kind of want to just keep your hand on top of the head to try to hold it steady. Clean up the corner, try to make the corner short. So when you connect it with the sides, that you won't have that much work to do. So here we just take it. We got it at an angle. Line them up. And then we're going to take our time and we're just going to clean out the spots, make everything neat and sharp. And on this side, we just get ready. We do the exact same thing that we did on the other side. That's the cupcake lady in the back. If you see her, she had the money out. She always coming in with these good old cupcakes, trying to get our money. But the cupcakes are real good, though. She do a sweet potato cupcake. Maybe I have to do a little video on that to show y'all what these cupcakes look like. But incorporate them in my video some type of way. But anyway, so if you're looking at that, like I said, you just want to take your time on the edge up as much as possible. Don't push it back. Try to keep the natural line up. Let me get my camera in focus right here. You want to keep your natural line up. So you see that right there? Boom, boom. I like to connect my corners. Some people like to start from the side first. Some people like to start from the middle first, like I did. I can do them either way. Sometimes I'm just showing you a system for you to follow to make it easy for you. Me, I just do whatever comes to mind at the time. So the thing about doing edge ups is you want to have a foundation. The thing about doing a haircut is you want to have a foundation. You want to create a system that's easy to follow and things like that. So you know that you can remember, and if you got consistent steps that you use on all the haircuts, your haircuts will become more consistent. You see the drop fade? The fade is not up too high. It's like right above the eyebrow, maybe. You see that? So we put a little curve on it, but you see the fade is nice. This haircut video was really about the fade, where to keep it, you know, where your guideline should go, how high you should go, how high you should not go. You know what I mean? So that's what we wanted to do right here. That's what we achieved right here. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you need to do any business together, we can do that. Hit me on my email. Follow me on Instagram. If you don't, follow both of my pages. You know what I mean? Don't forget, I got the Hanging with Herb. I got the vlog series. Remember to go to that YouTube page. It's gonna be down below in the description. Now, until next time, love, peace, and hair grease. I'm out.